Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So we're going to be simplifying, and the question says simplify 2 whole number 2 over 3 minus brackets open 2 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 4 over 5 bracket close. So simply we are going to be converting everything to fraction because it's a mixed number, and immediately after that we're going to be applying BODMAS. So let's get into it. So to convert, simply 3 times 2 plus 2, everything divided by 3, minus 2 times 2 plus 1, everything divided by 2, minus 5 times 1 plus 4, everything divided by 5. So this will give us 8 over 3, and this will give us 5 over 2, and this will give us 9 over 5, and the common multiple between 2 and 5 is 10. The lowest common multiple is 10. So since the lowest common multiple is 10, we are going to keep our 8 over 3 the same way, and then since our lowest common multiple is 10, that means 5 times 5 over 5 times 2, because 5 times 2 will make here to be equal to 10. So likewise 2 times 9 over 2 times 5, here remains 8 over 3 minus, so this 5 times 5 is 25, and minus 2 times 9 is 18, everything divided by 10, and here remains 8 over 3. Here 25 minus 18, 25 minus 18 is 7 over 10, and the denominator here is the lowest common multiple is 30. The lowest common multiple between 10 and 3 is 30, so 80 times 3, 10 times 80 divided by 10 times 3 minus 3 times 7 divided by 3 times 10. So this will give us 80 over 30 minus 21 over 30, and this will be equal to 80 minus 21 will give us 59 over 30. 59 over 30. So 59 over 30 is, if we change it to mixed number, 59 is just 1 remainder 29 over 30. So this is it, 1 whole number 29 over 30. Yeah, that is it.